Word up, I spit it with fire. Real skills are required. Nigga know it's all about Maya. Maya, yo, we come with skills in the cipher. Selling pills, nigga, wrap the shit up like a diaper. 813 all day I represent. Got Brooklyn on my hat, I'm a president. We the gangsters, we ain't gon' play that bull. Happy niggas like Cam when he's fading full. Straight up, man, kill it on some styles. P and Jada. Niggas feeling my new flavor. See you later, haters get paper. It ain't about the game while I cater. Word, I'm the father, treat him like Darth Vader. Fuck with me, bitch, I'm going up like elevators. Kill it on some UN like Bottle and Cam. And I ain't Drake, nigga, I ain't fake. Nah, never that, man, I'm a body slam. It's a piece of cake while I be great, nigga. Word up, if a dude pull a pistol out, put the mouth up with it, dude.
Oh, that shit was ill, man. If I could have got that from the beginning, dog. Yo, that shit was straight hip-hop right there, man. Yo, I like that shit, dog. You spit a couple, he spit a couple. Yo, that shit was ill.
I like that shit, dog.
What? Yo, my aim right here.
Check it. Move by, so with your boy, you ain't gon' lay down. Me and my niggas, we on this great round. Homie, just sit down, listen to the beat when I'm spitting. None of it's written when I'm breaking my wrist in the kitchen. Pay attention, niggas gon' break from the cloud. So loud, smoking that loud, nigga, I'm packed out. These niggas talking, they can't stop with me up in the Bentley or whatever God set me. Real easy for niggas to understand. I got the plan to do like Jackson with Janet and have these niggas till they can't stand it. It's all cash that I got in my pocket, taking off like a rocket, trying to get this motherfucking profit. Why the police fucking hating on me? Cause I'm selling that BL, double OG, homie, OG, in the city where I'm from, in the city, in the slums, nigga. On Facebook, I get a damn thumb.
That nigga said on Facebook, I get a damn thumb.
I know that shit, man.
Yeah.
Ill shit. What else we got on